The balcony house, a masterpiece by Bassico Arquitectos, is a testament to architectural ingenuity and a profound connection to nature. Nestled against the eastern mountain, the house is designed as a vessel to observe and contemplate the breathtaking valley below. Its form, a delicate balance of clinging, penetrating, and flying, is a captivating dance between structure and space. Two massive floor slabs, like sentinels guarding the horizon, frame the panoramic view of the mountainous landscape. These slabs organize the primary living spaces, their edges defining the perimeter of the house. Their orientation ensures that the gaze of the inhabitants is always drawn towards the majestic mountains. To introduce natural light, ventilation, and access to secondary spaces, courtyards of varying sizes are strategically placed within the floor slabs. These courtyards, like perforations in a canvas, create a sense of openness and connection to the surrounding environment. The balcony house is more than just a dwelling. It's an expansive platform designed to foster a constant relationship with the valley, the mountains, the sunsets, the night, the distant city, and the ever-changing landscape. Every space within the house is oriented towards the exterior, offering unobstructed views and a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. The architects have skillfully integrated the house into the natural landscape, ensuring that it complements rather than dominates its surroundings. The use of local materials and a restrained color palette further enhances the house's harmonious integration with the environment. As the day progresses, the balcony house becomes a canvas for a breathtaking display of nature's artistry. The sunrise paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, casting long shadows across the valley. As the day wears on, the mountains become bathed in golden sunlight, their peaks shimmering like distant stars. The sunsets at the balcony house are truly spectacular. The sky is ablaze with vibrant colors, from fiery reds and oranges to deep purples and blues. The distant city lights twinkle like a constellation, adding a touch of human presence to the natural landscape. At night, the balcony house becomes a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. The only sounds are the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant hoot of an owl. The starry sky above seems impossibly close, inviting the inhabitants to contemplate the vastness of the universe. The balcony house is a testament to the power of architecture to create a profound connection between humans and nature. It's a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and simply immerse oneself in the beauty of the natural world. Well guys, so here's the video about the balcony house by Bassico Arquitectos. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest in architecture and design. We also welcome your comments and suggestions below. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of the balcony house. If you are ever in the area, be sure to check it out in person. It is a truly stunning example of modern architecture that blends form and function perfectly. Thanks for watching.